Today I'll be showing you 3 ways to change your profile picture on Instagram.
I love Mike's videos. Please subscribe to his channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.
Here's the main Instagram page. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap on Edit Profile. Tap on Change Profile Picture. Tap on Choose from Library and choose the photo that you want to use. Here's a good one. It's an old one though. Tap on Done. My profile picture has been changed. Next, let's take a look at import from Facebook. This is the picture on my Facebook profile and the one I want to use. So I'll go back to Instagram. I'll tap on Edit Profile and then change Profile Photo and select Import from Facebook by tapping it. Once I do, you can see that my Facebook profile picture has been imported to Instagram. If you have a problem or this does not work for you, leave a comment below so I can help you. Thanks so much for watching.